So this is a new Kona 2024. This mirror is without camera, and I need to take this cover and change camera type, full option, and there is some defects on the cover, so I will use that for this one we will use for the parts as a donor. Okay, let's start. First you need to remove glass. Just like that. Use some plastic tool and remove blind spot. This is heating, and this one is a blind spot. So okay. And then there is screws. Maybe. Okay, first I'll try to remove bezel. I don't know will it help or not, but first we need to remove the bezel. And okay, so you can remove that. Okay, this is a bezel, and then I need to remove scarp. So I guess I hope. Okay, I see. There is something. Okay. So there is some click. Disassemble. Remove that. Anyway, I will show you later. So then try and work on this. Okay, close. One. Okay. Well done. So as you may see, there is one holder, another one, plus this place, plus this one. So 1, 2, and 3. That's all. This one is much better condition. So now this mirror is without driver memory seat. There is no model. And then if you need to disassemble something, the next step, you remove this cover, and inside there will be screws. So, but today is not my point. So just if you need to change the cover, so this is how you can do that. And then I need to change with this mirror, this one with camera. And as you see, there is a damages, some scratches, so I need to remove that and upgrade with this one. Okay, so we do the same. So the glass, okay, 1 and 2. Blind spot. Blind spot. Okay. Here we go. Then remove this. I think that I can disassemble without removing the bezel, but I will do that. I prefer to remove the bezel. And the reason why, because for me it looks like it's more safe here for removing the bezel, because you see that's attaching here on this side. So it's better to remove bezel and then remove cover. Will be much easier. So use this tool. It's not difficult. Bezel, then we need to release this one. Let's see, just push it up, push it up, up. Okay, okay. So you may see it's pull out, then need to do with this side. Okay, and now don't use a lot of force, just gently, softly. So it's a little stuck. Okay, so just okay. Nothing was broken. All this clip in place. 1, 2, and 3. Also 4. Like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now, So this mirror is Europe specs with the memory seat, driver memory seat. That will not work for the US market. So okay, and there is this is a camera, as you see, 2 screws, and you can remove the camera. Also, for removing the lamp, you need to remove this screw, and then you can release and remove the repeater lamp. So okay, this one. Now we will change with this cover or scalp. So just attach that. Okay, then next step. So now attaching the scalp cover. So this is a place, the one, and this part is connection for connection. So go like that, and then all around. So okay. Then time for the bezel. Bezel, good condition. Clean and beautiful. Okay. Then need to go here. Connection wires. Okay. Camera, okay. It's okay. Click. Click. Okay. Good. And screw. Okay, where's screw? Okay, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Just 2. 1. And number 2. Okay. And mirror. Okay. So click. Good. And hitting. You can buy Kona mirrors Oh, another Hyundai Genesis side mirrors on our eBay store. Okay, so click. Okay. Okay. Ready. So this is again Hyundai Kona 2024, 2025 new model, side mirror with camera, with blind spot detection, cut color SAW. That's all. Bye bye.